Hi, I'm Karen from K's Culture, and I'm doing a lifestyle blog about my life and my life as a teacher. And one of the things I like to do is cook. So since it's Thanksgiving, I'm going to start my first video with how to cook a juicy turkey. So you can cook a juicy turkey without buying a big name brand turkey. I'm not going to say some of the name brands. But there's a foolproof way to cook a juicy turkey every time. And you know what that secret is? It's basting it one time and using a cooking bag. Any brand cooking bag will do. So first you want to let your turkey thaw, make sure it's completely thawed in the refrigerator. Once it's thawed, you want to come and wash it. You want to wash it thoroughly. Inside the turkey and outside the turkey, pull out the plastic ring that holds the legs together and take out the neck and giblet from the middle of the turkey. Go ahead and put the neck and giblets in some water and boil it until it's done. You can use that later. We'll use that later for our dressing. It should take about 20 to 30 minutes. When it's tender, it's all done. Okay, so after you've completely washed your turkey, you're going to baste it. First, I usually put it in my cooking bag, but since I'm showing you, I'm going to show you how to baste it first. So you're going to wash your turkey. You want to make sure you put in the cooking bag, you're putting it in breast side up. And a lot of people don't know this, but there's a built-in little button on your turkey that tells you when your turkey's done. Here's your button right here. When this little button pops up, that red button pops completely up, your turkey's done. So to baste it, I don't melt the butter, I don't use a baster, I just get half a stick of butter and rub it all over the turkey to baste it. And then what's left, you're going to put inside the turkey. I'm going to baste it just once, and it's going to be nice and golden brown and juicy. Half a stick of butter will do. So be generous with basting. You're only going to baste it this once. And then later I'm going to have some other videos, like how to cook dressing, maybe green bean casserole. And be sure to comment and let me know what recipes you'd like to see. And I may consider doing a video for you on how to cook it. Completely baste it in the turkey. Right. Give it a minute and a half. I'm going to put the extra butter inside. You might want to keep a pan of bleach water. Make sure you clean up your sink and everything with bleach water after you're done cooking your turkey. That cuts down the risk of salmonella. Make sure all your utensils and everything's clean with bleach water. Okay, so now I'm basting my turkey. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the cooking bag. Put the cooking bag in the roaster. Put the turkey in the cooking bag. I like to season my turkey with poultry seasoning. You can season it with anything you like. You can try dry rub, but I just like poultry seasoning. And celery, I think it's celery, black pepper, add it to it. Lots of poultry seasoning all over the turkey. Then you gotta lift it up, make sure you get the back. After you're done with seasoning the turkey, whenever you use a cooking bag, you need to put a tablespoon of flour in it. You scatter it around the turkey. It's basically just to keep the bag from popping. From the heat in the oven. Keeps the bag from popping. Doesn't have anything to do with the flavor of the turkey at all. After you seasoned it, basted it, and you put your flour in, you want to make sure you use the twisty, the ties that comes with the bag, with the cooking bag. You preheat your oven to 350. And cut slits, very important, cut slits in your cooking bag. Keep the bag from bursting. About 6 small slits in your cooking bag. When the bag expands, it won't burst. Make sure you cook your turkey breast side up with that little red button showing. When that button is completely popped up, the turkey's done. This is a 15-pound turkey. It should take about 2 to 2.5 hours to cook. You use a meat thermometer. When your turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it's done. So, I'll see you in a little while when the turkey's done. Turkey's done. For correction, it took about 3 hours. So 15-pound turkey takes about 2.5 to 3 hours. But it's nice and brown and juicy. Watch the steam. That's how you cook a juicy turkey.